Embark on a sweet journey through Brazilian cuisine with this extended cocada recipe, a traditional coconut candy that embodies the tropical flavors of Brazil. Cocada is a cherished confection, celebrated for its delightful chewiness and rich coconut taste. Begin by selecting the freshest shredded coconut you can find, as the quality of the coconut is pivotal to achieving the authentic flavor of cocada. In a large, heavy-bottomed pan, combine the shredded coconut with granulated sugar. The sugar not only sweetens the cocada, it also helps to create its signature texture. Add a small amount of water to the pan to help dissolve the sugar as it heats. Cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. As the sugar melts, it will begin to caramelize, enveloping the coconut in a sweet, sticky syrup. Once the mixture thickens and becomes glossy, stir in a generous splash of condensed milk. The condensed milk introduces a creamy richness that contrasts beautifully with the chewy coconut. For an aromatic twist, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, enhancing the cocada with its warm, comforting flavor. Continue to cook the mixture, stirring frequently, until it thickens further and begins to pull away from the sides of the pan. This is the crucial moment when the cocada transforms into its final, candy-like state. Prepare a baking sheet by greasing it lightly with butter or lining it with parchment paper. Pour the hot cocada mixture onto the prepared sheet, spreading it into an even layer with a spatula. Be careful, as the mixture will be very hot. Allow the cocada to cool at room temperature until it sets and becomes firm. Once cooled, cut the cocada into squares or diamonds, creating bite-sized pieces that are perfect for sharing. Serve your homemade Brazilian cocada as a delightful dessert or a sweet snack. Its chewy texture and coconut flavor make it a favorite among both adults and children, capturing the essence of Brazil's rich culinary heritage. Enjoy your extended Brazilian cocada recipe, a testament to the simple yet irresistible allure of coconut candy. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply indulging in a sweet treat, cocada is sure to bring a taste of Brazilian joy to your table.